Morning student, welcome back to the second part of my video. In this video I will be discussing about insects. Insects, what they do, they lay eggs like cockroach, leuctus, grasshopper and termites. They also lay eggs, but they have three life cycle. They have three life cycle. First, the life cycle of a cockroach. Now the life cycle of a cockroach starts with egg, and from the eggs the small baby comes out. This small baby is known as nymph. This small baby is known as nymph. Now it develops from the eggs. These nymphs come out from the egg, and when the nymphs come out, when the baby comes out of the egg, the wings are absent in this baby. As this baby, the wings are absent in the baby. Now the nymph, what they do, as the nymph starts growing in size, they shed their skin several times. They shed their skin several times, and slowly they changes into an adult cockroach. They changes into an adult cockroach. This entire process is called molting. The entire process is called molting. Now life cycle of a butterfly. Now butterfly and moth, what they do, like cockroach they have three life cycle. Butterfly and moth, they have four life cycle. Now butterflies and moth have four stages in their lifestyle before becoming an adult. First, egg hatches into larva. Now these eggs are there, it hatches into a larva. Now the housefly baby is called the maggot. The housefly baby is called the maggot, while the baby of a butterfly is called caterpillar. While the baby of a butterfly is called caterpillar. The larva looks like a worm. Larva fade and grows inside. This larva, what it does, it eats and starts growing in size. After then, as it grows inside, then it starts making a covering around itself. Then it starts making a covering around itself. Now this, it is known as pupa. When it starts making a covering around itself, it is called the pupa. The pupa grows inside. Now pupa, it enters into that covering, and slowly it grows inside that pupa. After few weeks the pupa emerges out becoming an adult. After few weeks the pupa comes out becoming an adult. And the insect, they do not take care of their young ones. They do not take care of their babies. Next is reptile. Next is reptiles. Now reptiles such as snake, cockroach, lizard, turtle, what they do, they also lay eggs. Where? In holes in the ground. In the holes in the ground. Turtles and crocodile, what they do, they dig shallow pit near river bank and lay eggs there. Turtle and crocodile, what they do, they are living in water. So what they do, next to the water bodies they dig a deep hole in the sand there. After digging deep hole, they lay their eggs and they cover them. The parents do not take care of the eggs and leave them. The parents, after laying eggs, they cover the eggs properly and they do not take care of the eggs. Many of the eggs are eaten by other animals. Some eggs get warm from the sun and hatch. Now, after laying the eggs, the turtle and crocodile leave the eggs like that only, covering it. But some animals, what they do, they eat the eggs, and others that gets the heat from the sun, they hatches into an adult one. Next, amphibian. Amphibians such as frog and toad are amphibians. They live both in water and on land. They live both on water as well on land. Life cycle of frog. They also have four stages. The female frog lay hundreds of eggs. How many eggs? Hundreds of eggs the female frog give in a lake or pond. The cluster of eggs is called a swamp. The cluster of egg, when there is lot of egg in one place, that is called the swamp. And a tadpole hatches out of the egg, and Small tadpoles with tails comes out of the eggs. The tadpoles look like fish. When the tadpoles comes out of the egg, they look like fish. Slowly, it develops legs and undergoes many changes. Now, slowly, as it grows bigger, there are a lot of changes before becoming an adult. The process of changing from a young stage to an adult is called metamorphosis. The process of changing from a tadpole to an adult frog, this entire process is called metamorphosis. Now, animals that give birth to babies. First is mammal. Some animals such as dog, cat, bear and cow, they do not lay eggs, rather they give birth to their young ones. Human beings too give birth to young ones. Animals which give birth to young ones and feed their own milk are called mammals. What are mammals? Animals that give birth to young ones and feed the young ones with their milk are called mammals. The baby grows inside its mother until it is born. The baby, it grows inside the mother wombs until it is born. When the babies are born, mother takes care of them and feed them their own milk. When the babies comes out of the mother's womb, the mothers take care of the babies properly and feed them their own milk. The body of mammal is covered with hair or fur. The body of mammals, it is covered with hair or fur. Bats, which looks like bird, are also mammals. Bats that looks like bird but are called mammals. They give birth to babies. They do not lay eggs, but rather they give birth to young babies. Whales and dolphin that looks like fish and do not have hair are also mammal. Birds, whales and fishes, whales and dolphin, they look like fish, but they do not have hair on their bodies, but they are called as mammal. They give birth to young babies and feed them on their own milk. Some animals like kangaroos have a pouch on their body. You can see one kangaroo, one pouch means pocket like in their body to carry their young ones. They are called marsupials. Marsupials. The pouch that is present in kangaroo that is used to carry its baby is called marsupials.